Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to blend two images in GIMP. If you want to do it, you need to go to File and then you need to go to Open. Here we need to select two images that we want to blend. So I select this one image and I press and hold Ctrl and I click on this one image. Two images have been successfully selected here, so now we can click Open button, and how you see they are successfully loaded here. So now I click on the layer here and I click Ctrl C from my keyboard. Then I go back to the previous image and I click here and I click shortcut Ctrl V. Now we have here two layers, each one with different image. So now we can click right mouse button on the first one layer and we can select here Add Layer Mask. We need to set here white full opacity and we need to click Add button. After that we can click right mouse button here and we can select here Gradient. And then we need to click here on the gradient and set here FG to BG. And now you need to press and hold left mouse button somewhere here, and then you need to slide it to the right side, to the upper side, or maybe to the lower side. So for example, I will slide it to this one side, and how you see it looks really great. So it's all for today. If I helped you to achieve this one effect, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.